Here's how you change the batteries on your Avalanche neck reading flashlight. All you need to do this is 2 AAA batteries. I bought these rechargeable ones off of Amazon. I've got a link for the light and the batteries in the description below. First thing you need to do, take your light here, turn it over. You're gonna notice that one side of this latch here has this little lever, which you're gonna pull back and then pry it back to open up. Now these batteries are now pretty tight, so you wanna use a little pry tool. Got a set of tweezers here to try to pry these out. Push down on this one, pop it out. Same thing from the other side here. All right, I'm gonna take my new AAA batteries. I'm gonna put them in with the positive terminal, or facing up, and the negative terminal on this little flat spot spring here. Now I'll take my cover, thread it back in this side, and snap it down. Now I'll turn my flashlight over, push the buttons, and you're all set. If there's any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If not, leave a thumbs up. Thanks.